Hey everyone, this is an illustration I made inspired by Skoll and Hati from Norse mythology. First I started with a rough sketch. To make this I created a new canvas in Procreate. Right now I've been making my canvas 16 by 20 inches at 300 dpi. First I needed to create some circles to act as my guide. Next, I used the rotational symmetry tool to sketch the cats so they would look like they were chasing each other in a circle. To make the eye in the center, I turned off rotational symmetry so it would just mirror each side vertically. Then I created two circles to help me sketch where the sun and moon will be. After I finished my rough sketch, it's time for line art on a new layer. I turned down the opacity on the sketch layer and switched to a custom brush I made called Strange Ink for the line art. I have a link to my Procreate brushes in the description. Some of my line art feels too thick, so I used the liquefy adjustment to tone it down. I used the pinch option this time, but the edge option is usually better for doing this. With my line art done, I could merge everything and turn off the sketch layer. I used the reference option on my line art layer so I could quickly make a flat block of color under the bottom cat. I know the bottom cat will be black, so I need to change the color of the line art on just him. I don't want to mess with my actual line art, so instead I create a clipping mask over it and fill it with color only over the parts of the line art I want to be different. I'm making the line art red, but it will change later. I just need it to be any color I can see for now. Before I start thinking about a color scheme, I prefer to set up flat blocks of pixels that I will change later. I will usually create the flats in either grayscale or random colors. Once I have the flats created, I can alpha lock the pixels on the layer and change the colors to what I want my color scheme to be. I tend to be very indecisive with my color scheme, so often I will put off thinking about it until I can change all of the colors at once and experiment. It's almost Halloween, so I ended up settling on a simple orange and black color scheme. To change the colors, I select the layer while alpha lock is turned on, and I select fill layer, which will fill the layer with whatever color you currently have selected. So here's how the final artwork turned out. Let me know what you think of it in the comments. If you like my art, I have prints and tees in my shop at sellsdividing.com. Thanks for watching and have a great week.